Now, let us explore another component of Magic Switch, which is known as Transform into Doc. We will go over how you can convert your designs or your presentation into various text-based formats. To access this feature, go to Magic Switch and click on Transform into Doc. The options that will appear are the text formats you can convert to. You can convert a summary of your entire design, which will compile all of the text from every page into a document. You can also create a blog post, an email, a poem, or a song lyrics from the content in your presentation. Well, this is something, right? This feature is incredibly powerful and allowing from the adaptation of the same message into a different forms. In our example, let us try converting our exercise files into a blog post. Canva will process the entire design, which might take some time, depending on the length of your design. But once the transformation is done, you can open your document and find a well-organized blog post, complete with a title, introduction paragraph, and headings from each slide as interpreted by Canva's AI. I highly recommend experimenting with different format transformation, as the end result or the final result is always creative and interesting. Okay, that's all for this lecture, and I will see you in another one.